Think math.
We gathered them by kind and counted. 6 apples, 5 grapes, 2 bananas. But spread around like this, it is hard to see at a glance which one there is the most of. So we write the counts into a table. The kind goes in the left column, the number in the right one. 1 row for each kind, stacked up neatly. Now, just run your eye down the right column. 6, 5, 2. The most is apples, the least is bananas. You can see it right away. When they were spread around, your eyes had to jump all over the page. A table stands the numbers side by side in the same spot, so you only follow one line down. A table has one more good point. What you found stays written down, so you can look again later and still know which is which. You do not have to rely on memory. A table is the tool that lines your numbers up. That is how the most and the least show at a glance. A sip of math every day, here at Think Math.